Okay friends, to get started on our wiper arm, one of the first things we have to do is go ahead and remove our wiper blade. If you were to lift up on the wiper arm, you're going to find a little tab located where my index finger is. Squeeze on that tab and then remove the wiper blade. We'll set this aside and lay this down. Now down along this area right here, there's going to be a cover. I'm just going to use a pick to get underneath that cover and then pry it up and away. Underneath that, you're going to find that there's a mounting nut. Let's go ahead and remove that nut. Let's just take a quick note of where the arm is on the windshield. You can see I have a line right here. If you've got any dust, you can do this, or of course just make a marking with a crayon. Now at this point, let's remove the nut. Grab that arm, lift it up like this, and we're just going to wiggle it around to try to break it free from this area right here. All right, be careful for any pinch points. There it is, friends. Now for our new wiper arm, we're just going to turn that over and we're going to remove the cover as well. Just get right underneath here. You should be able to pry on it and separate the two. Now we'll take that wiper arm, we'll set it on here, and essentially we just want to line up the arm with approximately where it was on the windshield originally. Go ahead and push it down, continuing to make sure it's still lined up, and then we'll tighten up the nut. Once the nut's tight, let's continue on to putting on our cover. Just going to take it like this, slide it on, and then press it down. Of course, now's a great time to inspect your wiper blade. If it needs to be replaced, now's the time. Aside from that, let's go ahead and lift up on the arm. We'll slide this in and lock it. Make sure it's completely secure.